Hi guys, and welcome to today's lesson, which is all about improvising using Clave. Now this is a really exciting lesson because you're going to build the tools that you need, or gain the tools that you need to be able to create some really cool improvisations between the bass and the snare while keeping Clave in your right hand. This is an idea which I've borrowed from a great Cuban drummer called Daphnis Prieto, who, if you're not familiar with, you should definitely check out. He's an absolute master of this stuff. When you hear him improvise while keeping that Clave going in the right hand, it's absolutely beautiful. So let's get on. So there's a book that we're going to be using which will help us to develop this sort of coordination to improvise with the bass and the snare. And that book is called Stick Control by a guy called George Stone. And if you don't own this book already, it's absolutely essential for developing coordination in Latin music, in jazz music, even in pop and rock music as well. And it's also great if you want to have a look at some snare drum exercises, some more military snare drum, side drum exercises. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the first exercise from Stick Control, which looks like this. Merely single strokes, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. But we're going to substitute the R's, so they're the bass drum, so the right foot. So R is right foot, L is right hand. So exercise 1 will sound like this. Now, on top of that, we're going to play a 3-2 rumba clave. So we'll be doing quarter notes in the bass and snare, rumba clave in the right hand, and then in the left foot we're going to keep half notes as well, just to keep some sort of four-way coordination going while we do this. Check this out. Now this is a really difficult piece of coordination, I know, but persevere with it and you'll get it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take that same sticking pattern, right, left, and instead of playing quarter notes, we're going to play them as eighth notes, maintaining the clave in the right hand and the left foot half notes. Now finally, we're going to take the same exercise, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We're going to play them as quarter notes pushed across by half a beat. So essentially we're playing off-beat eighth notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, check this out.